Welcome to Module 4. In this module, we will introduce the item types that students will interact with throughout the year in Performance Matters. This information is essential for educators to know as it helps introduce the way student learning will be measured on any given progress check. CenterPoint uses a mixture of computer-scored and teacher-scored item types, where the teacher-scored item types are done using a rubric in Performance Matters. The advantages of machine scoreable items are increasing every year as our technology increases too. Many of our technology-enhanced items have a way to more comprehensively collect evidence than ever before, beyond what multiple choice items have been able to do in the past, and we can glean more information from student learning. We still have teacher-scored items, like the reasoning and modeling items that come with an item-specific rubric and a student sample response, each of which are viewable and scored by the teacher in Performance Matters. For the most part, we use a common set of item types: drag and drop or gap match, matching, drop down, numeric grid, multiple choice, and multi-selection. The teacher scored items will have extended text items for reasoning and modeling content. The items in our assessment are meant to mirror the items in MCAP and have students interact with them in similar ways. They will have comparable tech-enhanced features and similar scoring, such as multiple select items where a student is asked to select all that apply, or items that have two parts as a part A and a part B. We want to provide you with opportunities to see authentic examples of the item types we've just presented. We've compiled a list of items for you to review for each grade level with an example of each item type. To conclude this module, please take some time to review the sample items for your respective grade level and become familiar with them, as they may be helpful for you in planning instruction and thinking through data in between assessment periods. Lastly, we just want to say thank you for your time and attention in these modules. We hope that this material has helped you understand CenterPoint assessment and how our program can be helpful to you in your instruction. CenterPoint is grateful to have the opportunity to work alongside you and the Montgomery County team. If you have further interest in how our assessments are built, we've included an extension module that covers the principles of assessment design that CenterPoint follows. These include event-centered design, universal design, and how our content aligns to mathematical claims. Thank you, and have a great year.